Minyaka yonke amaphoyisa akulela akhumbule abalingani babo abashonela emsebenzini. Namhlanje imindeni yamaphoyisa angama-68 ashona elwisana nobugebengu ibeke izimbali njengophawu lokuhlonipha abathandiweyo bayo. Abalelwa ngaphezulu kuka-68 amaphoyisa abulewe phakathi kuka-2012 kuya ku-2013 kanti iziphathimandla zamaphoyisa zikhathazekile ngalesi sibalo esizichaza njengesiphezulu kakhulu.
Let me say to the nation today, South Africa, we cannot remain silent when those who are out there risking their lives to protect us are killed. Let us speak out. Let us talk about these heinous crimes. Let us do so in memory of those who have already died fighting for us.
Children seldom think, when saying goodbye to mom or dad, going off to work, that they may never see them again. That if something happens to that parent, they may not be able to finish school or get a tertiary qualification.
Sekusungulwe isikhwama sezemfundo esizobhekana nokuhlinzeka ngemfundo engcono izingane zalawo maphoyisa abulawa esemsebenzini.